guys, this is the unboxing of the new TV Philips Moda 32-inch. This TV is around 1,000 ringgit in the market. It is flicker free, wide viewing angle and smart connect. Okay, this is the TV. In the box, it comes with a adapter, power cable and a VGA cable. As you can see, the TV, it has very narrow bezel. It is very slim. This TV can also be adjusted front and back. This is how the monitor looks like when it's plugged on, and it's very bright, and it's very nice when you play your games in here with this monitor. Okay, special thanks to Ong for letting me unbox his monitor. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.